Malamang kabina. 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 Kabina, guys. Wala akong magkaba. Malamang kabina. So, dito mag-vlog mo. Wala ko kasi magawa mga guys, kaya nag-vlog muna ako. Ano kaya ang ganda? It's alright. You are dancing through the lightning streak. Hey. Wait. So, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Hands up. Hands up. Ganto. Ganto, okay? Ganto. Tapos, ganyan. Ganto, okay? So, ganyan. Okay? So, okay? Okay, so done. Ganyan. So, it's alright. You are dancing.
Pwede ta silawin yan. Ano naman dito flashlight na dito?
So, kailangan natin ito. Hindi ko kasi maganda. So, ito lang yung alam ko. Ma-mix it po ninyo, then like, it's better than yours, then it's better than yours. Teka lang. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Howie Wowie, that Howie Wowie. Okay, Frank, let me ask you. How many provinces in Canada? 10. Okay, how many provinces in China? 23. How many provinces in the Philippines? I don't know how many, believe it or not, 81. Aprikaling Oro Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan and Basilan, Sulu, Biliran, Liti Cagayan, Bulacan and Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Guimaras, Agusan Norte, Agusan Luzon, Capiz, Cavite, Bataan, Masbate, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Tarlac, Tawitaw, Cebu, Sarangani, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Costa Rivales, Quezon Tamales, Under Susa, Compton Zambales, Quezon Zambales, Sambungan and Bukidnon del Sur, Sambungan del Sur, Albay, Sambungan del Norte, there's Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, and Camiguin. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world come from one of the mabuhay. These are the Philippine provinces in our 7,107 islands. Davao Oriental and Occidental, Davao del Sur, Davao del Norte, Occidental and Occidental. Secure Mountain, Southern Leyte, Cotabato. Yun lang nga, nakakabasa ka. So guys, peace! You're out!